All right, yo, this is the recap of today's trade on how I made $7,700, 1,500 on one funded, and then the rest on four evals on Top Step. But let's break this down real quick. So pretty much coming into today, I was actually very, very bearish. Reason being, we were trading out of a 4-hour fair value gap right here. We also had S&T on the 4-hour time frame, and we come down. Actually, we come down, we have all these lows right here, these 4-hour lows. That was my clear draw on liquidity, especially with how price was trading out of this 4-hour gap. Literally could not be more clear of a draw. And then if we come down to the hourly, we were in a hourly order block that we were respecting. And then the 15-minute time frame, we had another set of bearish S&T because ES took out Asia highs while NQ didn't. So basically, the trade that I took today, I noticed that we pretty much inversed this hourly and this 15-minute fair value gap to the downside. Even more confirmation, like literally clean. And then I come down to the 5-minute time frame. There's a 5-minute fair value gap right there on both time frames. And I made the execution on the 1-minute. I'll show you guys right here. So the trade that I did take, market opened right here, swept all these internal highs, retapped into that 5-minute fair value gap, and also traded out of equilibrium of this range right here. It came up the equilibrium. So A plus, and then look at the close. So we swept all these highs, traded out of equilibrium, 5-minute fair value gap, 2 sets bearish S&T, and inverse higher time frame PD raise with a close like that on a 1-minute IFBG. The most clear shorts I've seen in a fucking minute. And then I targeted those. It was previous day low. So this was previous day low. This was my target right here. Smacked full TP. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough time to enter in on my alphas and my funded future evals, but it's cool. We still banged out today, and it's a dub. It's a good day. It's a dub, my boy. But hey, I hope y'all hit. If y'all didn't, don't overtrade, don't revenge trade. The charts will be there tomorrow. Y'all have a good one.